Hello everyone, and welcome to the second part where I will be talking from demo to live account. Okay, so I know that you were probably shocked during my previous video where I was talking about the demo account and how important it is. But now let's talk about the impact that when you are switching from the demo account to the live account. So the biggest difference between the demo and the live is that a lot of traders are becoming inconsistent when they go from demo to live account. So you're probably wondering why, and the answer is pretty simple. The answer is pretty simple. It's because of the emotion control. You don't trade the same way because now your losses have an impact on you. So when you're winning, you're very happy and you want to trade much more. You think that you are the best and you are trying to get in a trade even if you have less information, because now if you are here you probably didn't check my next video which are about technical analysis, but you will see that I'm trying to add as much as information as I can to have a strong powerful trade. And here, because you won few trades, you're probably wondering, I'm not wondering, but you're probably thinking that, yeah, I'm the boss. I'm the king of the markets. Nobody can stop me. And you will start trading like bigger lot, and you will go stronger, more risky, and you will become more greedy. And then, boom, the market will slap you, and you will go on the floor. Okay. And this is the problem. Then, when you're on the floor, you're, no, I don't want to trade anymore. So you see, it's a cycle. You're at any moment you are, damn, I want to stop, damn, I want to trade more risky. So there is a big impact on you because the money you're making or the money you are losing have a real impact on you. There is few differences when you're going from the demo account to the live account, which can create like the potential losses, is that the spread is a bit higher. So when you are getting in a trade, you will probably have you will be probably in bigger losses than you usually used to be. Okay, so if before you used to be minus $20, now you will be minus $22. Okay, it will be a small differences, but maybe it will shock you. Okay, maybe you will be shocked and not ready for this. Okay, now the second thing is that your stop loss will always be executed. Okay, so no more mistakes from your broker, because now you are not working for them, but they are working for you. Okay, so you're waiting for a professional service. And sometimes with the demo account, when you put your stop loss, it's not touching your stop loss. No, maybe it's touching your stop loss, but finally it's going back up, and your broker didn't execute your stop loss. But when you're with a live account, your stop loss is always executed. Okay, so there is no more mistakes from it. Okay, so when you have a stop loss, no worries, it will be executed. And it's exactly the same thing with your take profit. Okay, so sometimes when you are with the demo account and you're putting a take profit, sometimes it's not triggering directly at your take profit. It's like 5 pips higher, 10 pips higher. Okay, the very important thing, and I want you to remember this sentence, is that control your emotions or your emotions will control you. Remember this or your emotion will control you. Okay, you need to control your emotions or your emotions will control you and you will lose your money. Okay, so how to deal with the emotion control? So I would recommend to you to start with the micro accounts. So in the previous video I said that putting $200 is not the best thing when you want to get into market, because I said this without thinking about the fact that you are not probably directly thinking about making huge quantity of money. At the beginning, you are thinking about being consistent on the live account, because being consistent on a demo account and being consistent on a live account isn't the same thing. So you can deposit $200 and use a micro account, and you will use micro lot. Okay, so you will be using 0.01, 0.02. Okay, then leave you empty for, okay, your stop loss or your take profit will be executed by his own. So you don't need to be in front of your phone, be stressed, closing your trade before your stop loss or your take profit. If you have found your take profit and your stop loss by your own, okay, so you know that you have already set up your risk management, okay? So no worries, stop being like in front of your phone or computer or iPad watching like your trades. Relax, okay? And of course, for this, you need to use a proper risk management, okay? If you're using a proper risk management, your losses won't have a huge impact on you. At the opposite, when you will win a trade, it will have a big benefit, okay? And of course, accept your losses, but this is linked to using a proper risk management, okay? So I hope that you enjoyed this video and be ready for the next one. Peace, guys.